Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to find Instagram password. If you're using Instagram and you have forgot your account password, now you want to find your password, so let's see how can do this. You just have to open your Instagram app, and here just open your account in the right bottom corner. Here just select the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Here you just have to select account center and then select password and security and then select saved login. Then select Instagram account, and here you have to make sure that you have this setting has been enabled. First, let me explain that there's not any built-in function to see your password in the Instagram. So let's see how can you see it. Here's the trick. You have to enable the setting first, and after that, go back, go to home screen, and go for settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for Google settings. Here's that, tap on it, then select all services. Here just scroll down and look for Google autofill. Here's service with Google autofill your password. Here's that, autofill with Google, just tap on it. And here you will get this type pop-up. You have to select Google Password Manager option, and here you will get all of your saved password in your phones. You have to select your Instagram, and here just verify yourself and you can see your all account passwords. So that's how you can easily find your Instagram password. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.